Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. We are studying new syllabus mathematics. It's book 2. And it's chapter number 5, which is quadratic equations and graphs. The reference of this topic is in your CIE syllabus is at number 20. You can consult your CIE syllabus. Today is our lesson number 28 in continuation, but lesson number 4 in Zoom meeting. In this lesson we will solve question number 5 and 6 of exercise 5a, and in this lesson we are solving quadratic equation by factorization. In the previous lessons we have studied what is equation. Equation is any statement which has a sign of equality, or the equality of two expressions is called equations. Quadratic equation is an equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 2. This type of equation is called quadratic equation. Forms of quadratic equation, we have studied different forms of quadratic equation. You can consult lesson number 2 of online Zoom meeting. There were different forms, standard form of quadratic equations, factor forms, completing square or vertex form, and pure quadratic form of quadratic equation. And each type of quadratic equation has different methods of solving. Solutions of quadratic equation mean the value और values of the equation which make that equation true. यानी अगर x ये इसमें x वेरिएबल है तो x की जो वैल्यूज आप फाइंड करेंगे इसको सॉल्व करके वो इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो इसकी दोनों साइडें जो है वो जीरो आ जाएंगी. लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइड जीरो है तो वो वैल्यूज इसमें पुट करके सॉल्व करेंगे तो इसका आंसर भी जीरो ही आएगा. So the values which satisfy the equation are called the solutions of the quadratic equation. They are also called roots or zeros of the equation. Methods of solving quadratic equation. There are different methods of quadratic equation which are included in your syllabus. One is factorization, other one is completing square method, then graphing method, taking a square root method, and which we will use, but in this lesson we will solve by using factorization. And solving equation by using factorization we will use this property which is called zero product property. If two factors p and q are such that p multiplied by q is equal to 0, then either p is equal to 0 or q is equal to 0, और both p and q are equal to 0. तो जब हम इक्वेशन को फैक्टराइज कर लेंगे तो इस तरह के दो फैक्टर्स का प्रोडक्ट आ जाएगा which will be equal to 0. So we will put each factor equal to 0 to find the value of the variable involved in that equation. Now in this lesson we will solve question number 5 first, and its a part is sk plus 10s plus 21 equal to 0. Now this is an equation which is written in standard form. Standard form means one term with the square of the variable, one without square, and one without a variable. Axk plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of the equation. We will factorize the left hand side of this equation by using any one of these types. We will first look whether this expression on the left hand side is of first type. In the first type we look whether there is something common in all the terms. So in this case there is nothing common in all the three terms, so it means it is not of first type. So we will move to the second type. There is one term with square, one term without square, and one term without variable. So we will use this form. Can we solve this equation by using this type? In this type there must be two terms which can be written as a whole square. S square can be written as a whole square as S square, but there is no number whose square is 21. So we cannot factorize this expression by third and fourth type. So we will use second type. In second type we multiply the coefficient of square term with the constant term. In this case 1 with the plus 21 we will get plus 21, Now we will find two factors of plus 21 so that when they are multiplied gives us plus 21, and when they are added give us plus 10. So they are plus 3 and 7. We have given plus sign both because this number is positive. When this number is positive, both the factors will have same sign. They may be either positive or negative, but the sign of the both factors will be the sign of the middle term, because middle term is positive, so these two numbers will have same sign, and that should be positive sign. Now we will break this middle term 10 into 3 and 7. sk plus 3s plus 7s plus 21 is equal to 0. Now we will make group. There are 4 terms and this expression has become of this type. We will group first 2 terms and last 2 terms, and from the first 2 terms s is common. We are left with s plus 3, and from the last 2 terms plus 7 is common, and we are left with s plus 3. Now from these 2 terms s plus 3 is common. S plus 3, this factor is common in these 2 terms. So we will write s plus 3, and within the second bracket we will write s plus 7 equal to 0. Now this equation has been written in the form of factor. This equation, which is in standard form, has been written in factor form. These are 2 factors because there is no sign between the brackets, so it means there is multiplication. So this is p multiplied by q equal to 0. We will apply zero product property. Zero product property is either s plus 3 will be equal to 0 or s plus 7 will be equal to 0. S plus 3 equal to 0 or s plus 7 is equal to 0 means s is equal to minus 3 or s is equal to minus 7. When we will bring plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will be changed. Similarly, when we will bring plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will also be changed. Now these are the 2 values, 2 solutions, 2 roots or 2 zeros of this equation. Roots, solutions और zeros का मतलब होता है कि जो भी वैल्यू आपने फाइंड आउट की है, अगर उस वैल्यू को आप इस इक्वेशन में पुट करके सिंप्लीफाई करें, सॉल्व करें, तो दोनों साइडों का आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. इधर 0 है तो जब आप s को -3 से चेंज करके रिप्लेस करके सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 0 ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आल्सो. Similarly, if you will put -7 for s and you will simplify, you will get 0 here. So 0 is equal to 0. These 2 values makes this equation true. Its D part. D part is v square minus 5v minus 24 is equal to 0. Again, this equation is written in standard form. So we will look at the expression on the left hand side. Whether there is something common in all the 3 terms. First type, no, this is not a first type. Second type, yes, there is one term with the square of the variable, one term without square, and one term having no variable. So we will use the same method to solve this equation, and we will factorize left hand side by multiplying the coefficient of square term with the constant term. Constant term is -4, so we will multiply -4 with +1. So we will get -24. Now we will look at this. The sign of this number is negative. When the sign of this number is negative, then the 2 factors will have different signs. One will be positive, one will be negative. So what will be the sign of the larger? The sign of the larger will be the sign of the middle term. तो इसके जो भी 2 फैक्टर्स आएंगे उनमें से जो लार्जर फैक्टर होगा उसका साइन नेगेटिव और स्मॉलर फैक्टर का साइन पॉजिटिव होगा. और इसके कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं? देखिए 1 और 24 होता है, 2 और 12 होता है, 3 और 8 होता है. तो मैं सिर्फ वही फैक्टर इसमें यहाँ पे यूज करूंगा जो हमें रिक्वायर्ड है. तो आप इसको 1 गो में उसी मेथड से कि सारे फैक्टर्स लिख लें और फिर उनको साइन अलॉट करें और देखें कौन सा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो आपके लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, या जिस भी मेथड से आपने इसको फैक्टराइज किया हुआ है आप उसी मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. जो बुक में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है उससे कर लो, इस मेथड से कर लो, जो आपको इजी लगता है. नाउ वी हैव गेट got two factors, plus 3 and minus 8. When we will multiply these two, we will get minus 24, and when we will add these two, we will get minus 5. So we will break this middle term as plus 3v minus 8v. V square plus 3v minus 8v minus 24 is equal to 0. Again, this is of 6 type. We will factorize this by grouping. From the first two terms we get v common and we are left with v plus 3. From the last two terms we get minus 8 common and we are left with v plus 3. देखिए यहाँ पे अगर मैंने माइनस साइन है और माइनस आपने यहाँ पे लिखा है तो अंदर वाला साइन जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे माइनस है तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव है तो फिर प्लस हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर ये पॉजिटिव साइन है तो फिर इस साइन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, जो साइन यहाँ पे है वही वाला साइन इधर आएगा. नाउ फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स v plus 3 is common, so we will take out v plus 3 and in the second bracket we will write v minus 8 equal to 0. Again here we will apply zero product property. Zero product property is either this factor is equal to 0 or v minus 8 is equal to 0. So we will put v plus 3 equal to 0 or v minus 8 equal to 0. Solving these two we will get v is equal to minus 3 because we have transferred plus 3 to the right hand side and minus 8 to the right hand side by changing the signs. So v is equal to minus 3 and v is equal to 8 are the solutions of this equation, or v is equal to minus 3, v is equal to 8 are the roots of this equation or zeros of this equation. ये आपको दिया हुआ है. अगर आपने ये चेक करना है कि क्या v इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 इस इक्वेशन का रूट है या नहीं, तो क्या करेंगे, हम माइनस 3 को v की जगह पुट कर देंगे और उसे सॉल्व करके देखेंगे कि आंसर 0 आता है या नहीं. अगर तो इसका सोल्यूशन भी 0 आंसर देता है तो फिर इसका मतलब है v इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ this equation. Similarly, v is equal to 8 is a solution. We will put 8 for v and simplify to get an answer which must be equal to 0. So these are the two solutions to values of the variable. F part is this 6x square minus 29x plus 29. Look here, the coefficient of x square is not 1, there is 6. So we will use the same method. First we will check whether there is something common in all the terms. No, there is nothing common. So we will use this method to solve. We cannot use 3 and 4 because 6x square cannot be written as a whole square. 20 cannot be written as a whole square. So we will multiply 6 with plus 20 and we will get plus 120. अब 120 के हमने सारे फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लेने. 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 120, 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 60, 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 40, 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30 और ये सारे फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करके उनको साइन अलॉट करने हैं. साइन अलॉट करके क्या होगा, अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो उन दोनों के साइन सेम होंगे. वो कौन से सेम साइंस होंगे, ये वाला जो मिडिल टर्म का साइन है वही वाला साइन इन दोनों फैक्टर्स का साइन होगा. तो हम डायरेक्ट देखते हैं कि वो कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं. एक है -5 और एक है -24. -5 और -24 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट +20 120 and when you will add -5 and -24 you will get -29. So these are the correct factors. Now we will break the middle term -29 as this 6x square minus 24x minus 5x plus 20 equal to 0. तो इसको आप इसकी प्लेसेस चेंज भी कर सकते हो. पहले 5x लिख लो फिर 24x लिख लो. इट डज नॉट मेक एनी difference. Now from the first two terms we have 6x common and we are left with x from the and in second is 4. 24x divided by 6x will give you 4. Now again there is negative sign, we will write negative and we will take common from these two terms which is 5. So we have taken negative 5 common, so this sign will be changed and we get x minus 4. Now from these two terms x minus 4 is common, so we will write x minus 4 and within the second bracket we will write 6x minus 5. Now this equation has become a factor form of equation. We are able to write this equation in factor form and now we will apply zero product property. zero product property is either x minus 4 equal to 0 or 6x minus 5 equal to 0. We will solve these equation to find the value of x. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to 6x is equal to 5, and from here x is equal to 5 by 6. So these are the two values, two solutions, two roots of this equation. So this is the way of solving quadratic equation by factorization. Its h part is 2z square minus 3z minus 14 is equal to 0. So how we will solve this equation? This equation is already written in standard form. One term with square of the variable, one term without square of the variable, and one term without variable, and right hand side of this is 0. So this is a standard form of equation. So to solve this equation, we will factorize the expression on the left hand side. This expression is of which type of these 6? Is there something common in all the three terms? No, there is nothing common, so it means it is not of first type. We will move to the second type. Yes, this expression is of a second type. It is not of third type and fourth type, because 2z square cannot be written as a whole square and 14 can also not be written as a whole square. So we will multiply the coefficient of square term with the constant term minus 14, and we will get minus 28. Because this number is negative, so the factors of this number will have different signs, and larger will have the sign of the middle term, which is negative. So two factors of 28 which we need are plus 4 and minus 7. When you will multiply these two, you will get minus 28. When you will add plus 4 and minus 7, you will get minus 3z. Now break this middle term, then we will get 2z square minus 7z plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0. You can write 4z plus 4z first and then minus 7z. From the first two terms, z is common and we are left with 2z minus 7, and from the last two terms we get 2 common and we are left within the bracket 2z minus 7 equal to 0. And from these two terms we have 2z minus 7 common. So we will write this within the bracket, and in the second bracket we will write z plus 2. Now again we will apply zero product property here. The property is whether either 2z minus 7 equal to 0 or z plus 2 equal to 0. Solving these two equations, ये linear equations है बेटे. इस तरह की equations को कहते हैं linear, जिसमें variable की power 1 हो उस equation को कहते हैं linear. जिसमें variable की power 2 हो maximum power, उसको quadratic equation कहते हैं. ये linear equation आपने 7th class में पढ़ी होगी. Now from here 2z minus 7 equal to 0 gives 2z is equal to 7, or z is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 7 by 2. This is improper fraction, so we will write this in the form of a mixed number 3 and 1 by 2, or z is equal to minus 2. So this is question number 5. In question number 6 you are asked to solve this equation 7x cube plus 21x के. देखिए ये quadratic equation नहीं है. This equation is not quadratic, or this expression is not quadratic, because the maximum power of the variable is 3 here. So to solve this equation we will factorize the expression on the left hand side, and we will see which type of expression is this. Is this expression of type 1, in which we see whether there is something common in all the terms? Yes, this is of first type, because there is something common in the two terms, and that is 7 from numbers, because 7 is the largest number that divides 7 and 21, and from x, from the letter x square is common, because x square is there and x square is also there. So we will take 7x square as common. 7x common into Dividing 7x cube by 7x cube we will get 7, and dividing 21x cube by 7x cube we will get 3. Now these are the factors of this equation. From here we will apply zero product property. 7x square equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So 7x square is equal to 0 over 7 or x is equal to minus 3. Solving this, 0 over 7, 0 over something is always 0. x square is equal to 0 और x is equal to minus 3. अब देखिए हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो अगर किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर 0 के इक्वल है तो वो नंबर खुद भी तो 0 के इक्वल ही होगा ना, x जो है. तो अब या दोनों तरफ का आप स्क्वायर रूट ले लें. जब दोनों तरफ का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो स्क्वायर और स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल होकर आपके पास x आ जाएगा और 0 का स्क्वायर रूट 0 ही होता है और x is equal to minus 3. So these are the two values of this equation which make this equation true. अगर आप इसमें x की वैल्यू 0 पुट करेंगे तो भी दोनों साइडों का आंसर सेम आएगा, और अगर x की वैल्यू minus 3 पुट करेंगे तो भी दोनों साइडों का आंसर सेम आएगा. So this is how we will solve the quadratic equation by using factorization, and these 6 types of factorization which we have studied in the previous chapters. Hope this lesson is clear. This is homework. Question number 5. It's B, C, E and G part. This is my profile and this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe this channel and click the bell icon also. This is my WhatsApp number. You can send me your problems at this number. This is my email address. Keep doing practice because practice makes knowledge perfect. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.